This is Christopher Oury with Notaris. I wanted to go over real quick the large pan tilt zoom. We don't have any documentation on this yet, so I'm hoping that this documentation will kind of help us later on in the future. Right now, I haven't figured everything out. I've reviewed some of Cody's notes, and right now he believes the pinout is 1's positive, 2 is ground, 3 and 4 are my RS-45s, then 5 and 6 are my video. Looking at this connector, positive is red, this is ground, obviously. I believe that these are my RS-45s. And then I've noticed that this has actually been removed from a thicker outer sheathing. This cable here that's kind of coming off to the side, so this little one, is heat shrunk and it was removed from this outer sheathing, which typically means that it's ground. And then this here is soldered into a large, thicker cable. So I'm assuming that this is video positive and video ground, and they came out to a single cable without any of these pre-built or older versions of it before it's been removed. I can't confirm this until I actually hook everything up and give it a shot. So essentially what's going to end up happening is it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Maybe my numbers are a little mumbo jumbled. So I'm going to get a 6-pin connector and try this. So the 6-pin connector is not already built, so I'm going to go ahead and build one out anyway. I have, of course, all my male ends already attached. I've went ahead and I've grabbed my Deutsch 6-pin connector. It has 6 holes, as you can see through this, and each one goes on the back is labeled 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. So I'm going to look at this real quick. From my knowledge of our other systems, 1 and 2, 1 gets power positive, 2 gets power ground. Oh, before I continue, even though I don't have much for supporting evidence for my theory, I am going to get some heat shrink onto this cable just in case I'm correct. I don't have to depin it and then repin it to get the heat shrink on. My 6-pin thing fell out, so let me readjust that properly. Alright, so all that taken into account, I know 1 and 2 are typically like this. Now, this is the one I'm most concerned about, is my power and my ground, but I'm pretty positive that they go in here like so. Let's see. Then, according to Cody's notes, 3 and 4 get my joystick controls. Now, it's stated here that 3 is RS-45 positive and 4 is RS-45 ground. Real quick, I want to point out, for people who don't use these regularly, that it goes all the way down to the bottom to 3, and then it comes across and it goes up. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to go ahead and check this again. I'm going to put my positive joystick into 3, and my negative joystick into 4. Okay, so last but not least is my video positive and negative. I've kind of deduced that video positive is this thicker cable here. Video positive goes into 5, so that will come in right here. And then video negative should go in right above it at 6.